To tee into it, I'm just plucking this tube, which went to right there. It was right here, okay? I'll pull it off of there. The tube that goes to the collector box. I get a T fitting like this. One end is connected to one port on the manometer. The other end you stick onto the pressure switch, and the T fitting goes to the tube that you pulled off of there. Now you're teed in, except I'm not zeroed out. So I have no tube on there. I hit 0. Now I'm zeroed out. Now I'm putting the tube back on there. It reads 0 while it's not running. Now when I get it running, I'll read the draft that's being pulled on this pressure switch through here to here, and the tube is still interconnected.